Bitcoin struggles to hold $40,000 support level after ETF-induced rally fades. Nasdaq and CBO seek SEC approval for Bitcoin ETF options trading. Luna token drops 5% as DogeCoin's Terraform files for bankruptcy. Honda drives into blockchain gaming with Live Beyond partnership. DogeCoin flow-key bullish bet rise on X payments speculation. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets market continues to witness a downward trend in the price of key projects as optimism related to spot Bitcoin launch has faded into oblivion, while investor activity remained focused on fund outflows. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 3.6% at 53,000 points. Meanwhile, analysts remained hopeful about Bitcoin's future, especially with the approaching halving event in April. Historically, such events have led to bullish market sentiment. Hence, the market's focus now shifts from short-lived ETF excitement to the potential impact of the halving event. Additionally, this event, which occurs approximately every 4 years, reduces the reward for mining new blocks of Bitcoin by half, effectively limiting the supply and potentially increasing the price if demand remains constant. Separately, Bitcoin ETFs have surpassed outflows from Grayscale Bitcoin Trust holding 95,000 Bitcoin and approaching $4 billion in assets under management. However, Fidelity's and BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust have both seen over $1.2 billion in inflows, with IBIT currently having more AUM at $1.4 billion. Moving on, Terraform Labs, the blockchain protocol and payment platform used for algorithmic stablecoins, have filed a voluntary petition in Delaware for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, according to documents filed on Jan 21. Interestingly, investors are closely watching Bitcoin's performance, particularly as it hovers near this pivotal price point. The initial enthusiasm that emerged with the ETF launch has not had a lasting effect on Bitcoin's valuation, contrary to what some market participants might have expected. Furthermore, the number of Bitcoin wallet addresses holding over 1,000 BTC has reached 1,510, the highest level since August 2022. Well, the global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.61 trillion mark, decreasing 2.3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 23% to $40 billion. However, the market's recent performance indicates that investors are turning their attention to altcoins, which may have contributed to the cryptocurrency market's upward momentum, analysts said. Broader market hardly stays insulated from the Bitcoin influence, although some pockets are trying to defy gravity. According to blockchain analytics platform Artemis, Solana, a Layer 1 network, reached a significant milestone in stablecoin transfer volume, surpassing $300 billion in Jan, the largest transfer volume recorded in a single month. US stock futures rose as investors looked to build on the S&P 500's fresh all-time high from the previous week. While futures tied to the S&P 500 gained 1.2%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.57%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose 1.05%. Bitcoin was trading at $40,480, down by 3.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 4.3%, trading at $2,370. BNB was down by 2.3% to trade at $311. Solana Sol was down 7% and was trading at $87. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 5.5% to trade at $0.49. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $31, lower by 6%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 4.5% to trade at $0.75. Well, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4.8% at $0.082. Shiba Inu was trading down by 4.2%. Ripple 6RP token traded at $0.52, down by 4.5%, and Polkadot was down by 4% to trade at $6.6.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The US Securities and Exchange Commission is currently reviewing applications from two major exchange operators, Nasdaq and CBOE Global Markets, to introduce options trading for Bitcoin-related exchange-traded funds. Nasdaq has submitted a proposal to list options for BlackRock's Bitcoin Trust, IBIT. Meanwhile, CBOE Global Markets is aiming to launch options on various Bitcoin-related exchange-traded products. The move by both exchanges indicates a growing interest in providing traditional investors with regulated avenues for gaining exposure to the cryptocurrency market. As the review process is underway, market analysts are anticipating that the SEC could grant approval for these new offerings as early as late February. However, they are also cautious that the decision may be pushed back as far as September 21st, depending on the regulatory body's assessment. Terraform Labs, the firm responsible for the now defunct Terra USD stablecoin, has sought refuge under Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in the United States. According to a filing on January 21, 2024, at the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware, Terraform Labs disclosed estimated liabilities and assets ranging from $100 million to $500 million. Following all these challenges, Chris Amani, the CEO of Terraform Labs, issued a statement acknowledging the remarkable resilience of the Terra community. However, the Terra money ecosystem, spearheaded by Cohn, faced a critical collapse in May 2022. Cohn's whereabouts became unknown until his concern in Montenegro in March 2023 for attempting to leave the country using falsified travel documentation. Following all these ongoing developments, Terra is currently trading near $0.62, and in the last 24 hours, it has experienced over a 4.5% downturn. However, over the longer period of the last 30 days, it has plummeted by over 35%. Darewise announced today a collaboration with Honda and Animoca Brands Japan to develop transportation and automotive gameplay for the upcoming blockchain game Life Beyond. Life Beyond is a free-to-play online title set on the fictional planet Dolos. Developed by Darewise Entertainment, Life Beyond will feature an open world where players can build civilizations powered by a tokenized player economy utilizing NFTs. Under the collaboration facilitated by Animoca Brands Japan, Honda will work with Darewise to create new gameplay mechanics and assets featuring Honda vehicles for Life Beyond. This includes in-game items, activities, and NFTs based on Honda models that players can use to travel around the game world. Honda has been ramped up initiatives in the blockchain metaverse and Web3 spaces over the past year. The automaker clearly views Life Beyond as a strategic opportunity to integrate its vehicles into new digital worlds and engage with tech-savvy consumers. Dog-themed meme tokens DogeCoin and Floki rose as much as 12% before retreating as an X payments profile on social app X sent adoption hopes flying among crypto circles. Trading volumes for both tokens shot up 200% over the weekend. CoinGecko data shows even as broader crypto volumes remained relatively lower amid little volatility. Elsewhere, futures tracking the tokens saw open interest rise to a cumulative $430 million from $200 million, indicative of rising bets. Doge has a tendency to surge on payments-related developments at any Elon Musk-owned companies such as X or Tesla. Floki, named after Musk's dog, moves as a beta bet among mid-cap traders. There has been no official communication on whether Doge will feature as a payment option compared to Bitcoin or Ether, but such speculations aren't entirely unfounded. In April 2023, Musk teased Doge payments on Twitter in a tweet, proposing DogeCoin as one of the payment options for Twitter Blue, the suit's subscription service with premium features. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin's price recovery is likely due to on-chain metrics, volume, and a social dominance. Elon Musk's social media platform X has launched a dedicated payments account handle, which is @XPayments, causing anticipation among Doge holders. Doge volume has rallied between January 1st, indicating increasing relevance and demand among market participants. Social dominance of the meme coin has climbed up from 1.14% to January 1st to 3.45% on January 21st, indicating a bullish sign for the asset. Doge was trading at $0.8, down near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu saw significant gains in the last 24 hours of trading, reversing a week-long downtrend. The second largest meme coin rallied 5% between 7 p.m. UTC and 11:30 p.m. UTC, but a correction occurred as impatient traders profited. Despite this, the SHIB remained 1.78% higher than the previous day. The surge was likely due to a jump in SHIB's burn rate, attributed to the removal of over 4 million tokens from circulation. Large investors holding 1,000 to 10 million Shiba tokens have been making significant moves despite the downtrend. More than 4 million tokens were removed from the Shiba Inu circulation. Transaction count on Layer 2 network Shibarium hit the highest value in 2 weeks. Shiba Inu was trading 3% down in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Algorand. Algorand has improved its position as one of the most scalable Layer 1 blockchains with a recent upgrade. The update introduced dynamic lambda or dynamic round times, which reduced block creation times by around 20%. The average block creation time in Algorand has dropped under 3 seconds compared to the Ethereum's Layer 2 compared to Ethereum's 12 seconds. This upgrade also enhances Algorand's efficiency as it aims to become a permissionless blockchain. Algo was trading at $0.16, down near 4% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana has seen a 2,595% increase in stablecoin transfer volume this month, reaching $300 billion, a 2,595% increase from January 2023. Despite a challenging past, Solana's value has risen to $93, marking a crypto resistance. The company has climbed to a second place in on-chain transfer volume, trailing Ethereum with a $10 billion margin. This has displaced Tron from the third place with a total transfer volume equivalent to $250 billion. Solana was trading at $88, down 4.2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Manta. Manta Network's airdrop participants have received fewer tokens than anticipated, leading to feelings of shortchanged. Many participants found the rewards value did not cover transaction costs, and others spent thousands collecting NFTs to boost their airdrop. This episode highlights the delicate balancing act of crypto projects, as promising airdrops of valuable tokens to users are a delicate act. Participants blamed the project for creating a complex airdrop system, with some describing it as the worst airdrop ever. Manta was trading at $2.37, down near 3.3% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worldstv.io or scan the QR code.